What's up, internet? Today I want to tell you about 3 things that I hate about the AirPods Max. So the first thing I want to talk about is this case. Now, the case isn't that protective. It also doesn't seem to work very well for its intended purpose. Apple calls this their smart case. And the purpose of the case is that when you insert your AirPods Max into the case, it's supposed to put it in a standby state so that you can do 2 things. You can locate it just in case you misplace it using Find My iPhone, and it will place it in a low power state so that it conserves energy. Which leads to the second thing that I hate about the AirPods Max, the battery life. I cannot get a good gauge on battery life. Let's just say I charge it to 100%. I may get through about 5 hours of usage before the battery dies. And when it dies, it just shuts completely off. I don't seem to get any type of notification. It just completely dies. This could be an irregularity with my unit, but for the most part, I've heard several reports of other issues with this, and it just seems to be a software related issue. The last but not least thing that I hate about the AirPods Max is the power state. Sometimes I'll take the AirPods out of the case and I put them on my head and I'll hear a tone indicating that it is on and connected to my iPhone. But then shortly after, maybe within 5 to 10 seconds, it will completely disconnect and it won't work. And the only way I can get it to reconnect again is to take them off my head and put them back on again. After that, they typically work pretty good. These are 3 things that I hate, and I know that they can be fixed with software updates. So I'm hoping that Apple can address them in some time in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and please tune in for the next video where I talk about 3 things that I love about the AirPods Max. I know you guys are looking forward to a review. I may not do one, but these are some phenomenal headphones, but I definitely wanted to get this out there and let you guys know 3 things that I hate about the AirPods Max. Stay tuned.